Greetings, language enthusiast. Welcome back to English Mantras, your go to channel for honing your spoken English skills. Today, we are delving into a topic that many of you are interested in, how to practice spoken English every day. I'm excited to share some practical tips and examples tailored specifically for you. Get up in the morning and right after you have brushed up, prepare to read two paragraphs of your interest. It could be anything: a children's story, Bollywood news, sports updates, science and technology articles, editorial pages, politics, or anything that captures your interest. While reading, underline any unfamiliar words and find their contextual meanings either through Google, online, or a physical dictionary. Make it a point to remember these words because you will be using them in your speaking practice. Moving on to the next step. Speak up and reproduce the first paragraph in your own words, incorporating the new word. It's normal if you find yourself stuck. Don't worry, just keep up the good work. Continue speaking, and if you stumble again, try to understand the reason behind it. It could be a lack of recalling the unfamiliar word, issues with sentence construction, a confidence gap, or a grammar problem. Identify the problem and work on fixing it. If you face a different challenge, let me know in the comment section and I will create a video on that. Now the next step is building confidence and comfort with the first paragraph. Repeat, revise and rehearse it while speaking until you feel at ease. Follow the same procedure with the second paragraph. Finally, combine these two paragraphs in your speaking practice. I am confident that if you consistently follow this technique, you will become fluent within a couple of days. Happy learning. Thank you very much.